How to create a Gmail business account. First, go to google.com and click on Sign in the top right corner. Once you're on the Sign In page, click Create Account. You'll see a few options. Select For My Work or My Business. Next, Google will introduce Google Workspace. Click on Try Google Workspace. On the next screen, click Let's Begin. Now you'll be asked for your company information. Enter your company name. Then select the number of employees, including yourself. Choose your region or country and click Next. The next page asks for your contact information. Enter your first name, last name, and your current email address. Once you've filled everything out, click Next. Google will then ask if your business already has a domain name. If you already own a domain, select Yes and enter it. If you don't have a domain yet, select No and continue. Google will help you purchase one during the setup process. Click Next to continue. Now it's time to create your business email address. Choose the username you want to use, such as contact, support, info, or your name. For example, you might create something like contact@yourbusiness.com. Create a secure password and click Next. Google will review your information and ask you to confirm your subscription details. Follow the instructions on the screen and enter your payment information if required. After that, Google may ask you to verify your domain ownership. Simply follow the instructions provided. In most cases, this only takes a few minutes. Once the verification is complete, your Gmail business account will be ready to use. You can now sign in with your new business email address and start sending and receiving emails with a professional business identity.